There are several manufacturers of underground detecting devices, such as radio detection, C-scope, and Leica. Although their equipment names and models may differ, the modes of operation should remain similar. The cable avoidance tool, known as a CAT, detects electromagnetic fields or signals that naturally radiate from many metallic surfaces and turns these signals into an audible and visual response on the cable locator. The signal generator, known as a Genny, generates an electromagnetic signal that can be applied to a buried metallic pipe or cable for the CAT to detect. Depending on the model of CAT that you will be using, it will have 3 or 4 different modes. All models of CAT will have the 3 following modes: power, radio, and Genny. Some may have the additional avoidance or all scan mode. Power mode, signified by the P on the CAT switch, can detect underground power signals that are being emitted from loaded cables. There are several reasons live cables may not be detectable in power mode. An example of this is if the cable is not loaded. Radio mode, indicated by the R on the CAT switch, is used to detect VLF radio signals re-radiated by metallic pipes and cables. Radio signals are not always present to detect. It is important to complete your survey with use of a Genny before excavating to ensure accuracy, as some buried surfaces may be missed. Genny mode, signified by the letter G on the CAT switch, enables the CAT to detect the distinctive signal that has been applied to a pipe or cable by the Genny via direct connection or induction. If your model of CAT has the avoidance or all scan mode signified by the A on the switch, it is advised to use this mode at the beginning or end of your survey sweep, as it is capable of detecting all signals simultaneously. The operator should ensure that this process is completed. Some modern CATs feature a data logging system which allows you to track usage behaviours, explore surveyed locations using Google Maps, and produce surveys and usage reports to be saved, retrieved, and analysed when connected to software via USB or Bluetooth.